Good, and it's time for science here, always on Thursdays, and Jeff Stevenson is from Imagination Station with Nitro Pop. So nitrogen and food, I mean, we're going to have some fun today.
They go hand in hand, all right?
With Imagination Station,
yeah,
for sure.
Exactly. This is like our normal dessert
totally
that
normal.
we do.
Absolutely.
So we're going to be making our own ice cream.
Our own ice cream. I love ice cream.
Exactly. We're going to do all from scratch with, you know, kind of just slightly cold.
All right, we're going to be little bakers
ingredients.
today.
Yeah, exactly. So
Chefs
we'll go ahead and get started on that. So why don't you go ahead? I have all the ingredients I need for ice cream. So I have 1 full cup of whole sugar. This is going to be a very healthy ice cream, as you can.
Oh yes,
as you
tons
can
of sugar.
Yeah,
very, very
just tons
healthy.
of sugar. All right. Excellent. And then why don't you do 1 full cup of this milk here?
All right.
All right, and that's whole milk. Once again, you know, we're looking out for our calories.
Yeah, we're keeping the fat low, the sugar low today. Just kidding.
Yes, excellent, excellent. So, and
we're
then
going full speed. It's Imagination Station.
And then what we're going to do next is this is heavy whipping cream.
Essential,
right?
yeah.
So it's
you're making some homemade
ice
cream.
Yes, and we're going to actually do 2 entire cups of that.
Okay. So both of these.
We'll do them here together. Yeah, we'll do them here together.
Okay.
So.
Oh, he's way fancier than I am.
Oh yeah, this is the scientific way to pour.
Oh,
and if ever you're cooking and you're wondering if I'm doing this correctly, you should be pouring this.
Oh, you should be pouring all the way up to here, making a mess. That's what baking's for.
Now you're gonna go ahead and stir this up, but you don't want to whip it because you'll turn our heavy whipping cream into whipped cream.
Okay, but we don't want that.
Yeah, we don't want that necessarily.
Fair enough. I'll just mix it more than whipping it.
Yes, yes. So you're gonna go ahead and mix that up, and what we're gonna be using today to turn this into like a delicious treat is we're gonna be using some marshmallows and some liquid nitrogen.
Marshmallows, okay, because the liquid nitrogen we need to make ice cream cold, absolutely.
Yes, and now
so what's the marshmallows going to do for us?
What the marshmallows are going to do, they're going to give us a nice base for it. So why don't you go ahead and put your safety goggles on, just so I can make sure, and you can just leave that.
Put that perfect. Yeah, I don't want anything bad to happen.
Now I just want to kind of show you this liquid nitrogen. It's really, really, once again, I'm going to show you that really cool. This is very, very cold stuff here.
Wow, yes.
But it's constantly boiling away. So if I pour it like on this table here, you can see that it's going to just boil away instantly into the atmosphere, and we're not going to have to worry about eating any of our liquid nitrogen.
Well, perfect. So, I can appreciate that. I don't want to eat any nitrogen today.
Yes, exactly. So I'll put a little bit in here. This is what we're going to end up using to make our substance, our Nitro Pops, if you will. So that should be good. We'll let that kind of fizz away. It's going to be a little chaotic right now.
Yeah, it's going to look very fun.
All right. And
definitely very sciencey right now.
And you know, being the gourmet scientific chef that I am, I actually have a couple different flavors here. So this is going to be vanilla. I kind of have at the bottom of mine. I can't see here, so hopefully you tell me what.
Yeah, you're doing. That's good. I feel like that's solid.
We're gonna do a little.
Oh, a little more. He really likes his ice cream.
All right, and then this is a raspberry flavoring.
Ooh, yum.
Kind of like a blue raspberry look, right?
Blue raspberry, very natural. Very natural, very healthy.
Excellent, excellent.
Very cool, all in all. We're definitely doing cool stuff.
So I'm gonna give you a chopstick, and I want you to attach 2 marshmallows to the end of it.
Okay, just 1 chopstick?
1 or 2. It doesn't really matter. So I'll go ahead and I'll get 2 myself, and I'm just gonna push them down like I'm making a double s'more setup. But instead of s'mores, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get them cold, so you can kind of follow my lead, and then we're gonna dunk them into our flavor. So you can go ahead and do the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks like I overfilled a little bit, and we're gonna go back to the nitrogen.
Okay.
Just back and forth.
Layers of this.
So we're layering on this ice cream. Now we could just add liquid nitrogen right to the ice cream, and we do that for birthday parties and things like that. But this is kind of a fun special treat for you guys here at WTOL.
We love special treats.
Yeah, and this is kind of a recipe that we've come up with that works pretty well. And if you want, we can switch flavoring here.
Ooh, want to do a trade?
Yeah, here we'll trade. That's okay. We'll get each other's coated up here. I'm gonna try to do just like half of yours.
I'm not that creative. I'm just gonna put extra layers on here. This is delicious. So if we didn't like marshmallows enough,
I mean,
some fun.
And if you'll notice, I'm getting these little dots on here.
Yeah.
This is actually the same way that they make Dippin' Dots. So they usually come in. And this is probably one of the most exciting dinosaur experiences I've ever been a part of. And
because there's quite a few.
There's quite a few, and they're huge, and they move, and it's all based around the idea of the dinosaurs all kind of starting in this Pangea type continent, and then you kind of get a tour of how those things separated and how the different environments worked out and what dinosaurs really are. And I'm super geeked about it. We're gonna have activities to go along with it. It's gonna be a great exhibit. I
mean, lots of kids love dinosaurs. They're pretty cool, but this way you can learn all about how they became to be and maybe became not to be.
It's a great learning experience. Are you ready to try our?
Yeah, absolutely.
Here we go. We'll cheers.
Here we go. That's good stuff.
Isn't that good?
That's delicious.
You can really taste the sugar, cream, and milk in there, right?
That is very, 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 very sweet, but in the best way possible.
Yeah, not exactly a low-calorie snack.
Yeah, not at all. Well, thank you so much for coming, bringing sweet treats, and make sure to check out that new exhibit going on this weekend. Well, there's more WTO 11 Your Day in just a moment. Stay with us.